Hey everyone, David here with Headset Advisor, and today we're going to show you how to share your screen on Microsoft Teams. It's very simple, just a couple of clicks, and you'll be sharing your screen in no time. So let's dive in right now. Okay, so you have your Microsoft Teams here on the left-hand side of your screen here. Click this Meet button over here on the right. Okay. Now you can choose your audio settings. Let me choose a background filter just for fun. I can choose a blurry background so you can't see that. Or I can maybe pretend I'm in another office here. Or I got some balloons, it looks like. All sorts of images you can put in the background, and you can even add in a custom one. Let's do the blurry one for now, because that looks cool. And then I'm using my headset here, and I'm going to join. So we're just joining the meeting. And now you can see the background is blurred. Okay, so as you can see right up here, you have the share content button. So make sure your Microsoft Teams is updated to the latest one, and you'll have that button there. And then you can choose what you want to share. So if you want to share your screen, I'm going to go ahead and share my screen right now. And I'm not sure if you can see that because it might be on my other monitor, but it is showing that I'm sharing on my other screen here. And you can see that these meetings are going on. And if you want to cancel your meetings, you see this tab right here. All you have to do is just click that and click Stop Sharing, and then it brings you back here. So something else I want to show you is how to do a whiteboard, which is kind of fun. So click this Microsoft Whiteboard, and I have a touch screen on my computer, so it makes it even a little bit more interesting. So wait for it to load. So I'll use this red pen, and then I'm just going to touch on my screen here. Hello. And you can do whatever you want for a whiteboard, which is kind of cool. Just have a spot to kind of brainstorm and put some ideas down on paper with your team. Um, and then you can stop presenting by just clicking this button here. One other thing you can do on a meeting is hit this raise hand button. So that's cool. As the organizer or the leader of the team, you can see who's trying to ask a question in case it happens to be a lot of people on your meeting. So that's a very convenient feature. And of course, one other thing that you want to make sure that you have on your video meetings is you want a good quality headset like the one that I'm wearing here. This is a Plantronics Voyager 4220. This is great for Microsoft Teams. It's optimized for Microsoft Teams, so you're going to get that remote answering. If you step away from the desk and somebody calls, you can simply press a button on your headset and it's going to pick up that call. And also you're going to have that professional audio quality. So my voice is actually being recorded with this headset. So that's the kind of voice quality that your customers or your coworkers are going to be able to hear your voice like. So you want to make sure to have a high quality headset like this. And I'll put a link in the description below in this video, as well as our top headsets for Microsoft Teams users. So it's definitely worth checking out. Highly recommend it. But it's really that easy to share content on your Microsoft Teams meeting. Very simple, very easy, and I hope this was helpful for you. If it is, please hit that like button and subscribe to our channel, as we are constantly releasing new information on headsets, doing product comparisons, and helpful videos like this. If you have any questions, put it in the comments. We do always respond to all of our comments. That's all I have for you for now. I appreciate you tuning in today, and I hope you have a great rest of your day. Thanks a lot.